Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change passcode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Type in your current iPhone passcode. Now scroll down until you get to Change Passcode and click on it. If you want to type in the current passcode, now type in your new passcode. If you want to switch from 6-digit passcode to 4-digit passcode, click on Passcode Options. Then go ahead and select 4-digit numeric code. Now type in the new passcode. Confirm the new passcode. And then hang on for this to change your iPhone passcode from the old passcode to the new passcode. And after that, when next you want to unlock your iPhone, you'll be able to use the new passcode. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.